Ha! Hello, fellow adventurers! Have you ever had one of those days where you've been out adventuring the whole day and you fought a bunch of orcs and you found some treasure and you cast some spells and some spells were cast against you, but at the end of the day, you survived? And what better to celebrate survival than a delicious frosty mug of butternut beer? It is a sweetened and mirthful beverage that is the perfect capper to a day of not dying. We are going to make the butternut beer right now. You're gonna get bourbon, you're gonna get lemon juice, Mr. Stack's Butterscotch schnapps, Angostura bitters, plain seltzer, and cream soda. I got Spreckers. First, because I have not tried these alcoholic ingredients yet, I am going to try them now. First off, we'll try the Buffalo Trace. This is a Kentucky straight bourbon whiskey. Here's what I learned about bourbon. All bourbons are whiskeys, but not all whiskeys are bourbons. That's the extent of what I learned. Whoa, oh, lovely. Good luck. That's actually pretty good. I like that. It's strong. It's strong. Then we have the Butterscotch schnapps. Whoa, that is sweet. That smells like butterscotch. Mr. Stack's Butterscotch schnapps. Oh, I like that. That's good. That tastes a lot like butterscotch. I'm not really sure what schnapps are. Okay, we are now going to build the drink. First, you need one frosty mug. Just put a mug in your freezer for about an hour, take it out, and it's all frosty. You're gonna fill that with ice. We've got one frosted mug filled with ice. You're going to add 1.5 ounces of the bourbon. All right, that's 1.5 ounces of bourbon. 3/4 of an ounce of butterscotch schnapps. Boom. 1 teaspoon lemon juice. 3 drops of Angostura bitters. 1, 2, 3. That was about 3. Stir to blend and chill. 2 ounces of seltzer, or club soda, whatever you call it. You can eyeball it, but since I'm following a recipe, I want to try to mimic the recipe. We're going to add 4 ounces of cream soda. My mug is a little small to accommodate 4 ounces, so I'm just going to fill it up to the top with cream soda. So as you may have noticed, there's no beer in here. It is called Butternut Beer, but there is no actual beer and there is no actual butternut. There is butterscotch, but there's no butternut. There's also no scotch, but there is bourbon. This is a confusing drink. You're going to stir it just to blend it, and then you're going to garnish it with a lemon. Let me get a sturdier lemon slice. There we go, that's an adventurer's slice of lemon, right? So the last thing to do is to give it a try. This is the Butternut Beer from the Yawning Portal. It's a sweetened, mirthful drink to celebrate the fact that you are not dead. Forgotten Realms! I like that. This is one of those drinks that you can drink a lot of and you don't realize how much alcohol you're drinking. The combination of the butterscotch and the bourbon and the cream soda, it is pretty sweet. If you don't like sweet drinks, this is not going to be for you. But it's the right level of sweetness for me. It is mirthful. It is definitely mirthful. And you first get hit with the sweet, and then as it's going down, there's I'm sure there's a total technical word for this, but it's not backwash, but you taste that bourbon. This bourbon comes in after the sweet. It is really good. The butterscotch schnapps all by itself, it's a little too butterscotchy, a little too sweet, but because it's just in this whole mug, it's only 3/4 of an ounce of it, it really gets dispersed. That's probably not a technical term either. The combination is great. If you like sweet alcoholic beverages, this is a great choice. This is the Butternut Beer from the Yawning Portal out of the Heroes Feast Flavors of the Multi-Universe cookbook. It's an official D&D cookbook. We're gonna put a link to it in the show notes if you wanna buy it for yourself. If you do buy it with that link, I get a little bit of a kickback, so you're supporting the channel, which I totally appreciate. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe because we do drinks and food and nerdy cooking videos from all of your favorite fandoms. You can check out our playlist of other Yawning Portal recipes. Definitely had a little bit too much of that butternut beer, but it's great. I'm probably gonna have some more. Thanks for watching. This is Ryan from Fandom Feast. Remember, cook like a nerd, eat like a king. Talk to you soon.